Again, Christian, the men of the Blackwater Bossing on the field and post-game press conference with our team coach, Coach Jeff Payaso.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Coach Jeffrey Carriazo. We also have Dan Panopio later on, Christian Tapit will join us. Coach Jeffrey, what basically to start off the new season, new conference, just your initial thoughts on this victory.
Of course, we're very happy. We're able to get the job done today. So honestly, we want to always try to start, on a good note, and today was a good first step. There's still lots to learn, lots to improve on, but we're happy that we were able to get enough tonight to get it right.
Dan Panopio, 13 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 2 steals in his first ever PBA game. Dan, kumusta yung experience playing your first PBA game? Of course, the pre-season is different. This time it's for you. Just your thoughts.
Masarap po yung feeling kasi we won and I want to appreciate the coach and the teammates for helping together and we're working this out. I feel like, like Coach Jeff said, we've got a lot of things to still improve on and work on. Definitely do that. Go back to practice and fix things that we didn't do today.
And we're now joined by Christian Tapit tonight with 24 points, 7 rebounds, 2 steals. Our best there again. Christian, he set the tone early. Tinipon Blackwater to take control of the game. Just your thoughts on this victory tonight?
I think it was a really good win for us. It's a total team effort, and everybody was ready from the bench to the starters. It wasn't the prettiest win, but we stuck together and continued to execute. So, good game.
Was this the day with any vision mo for yourself? In terms of performance, siguro yung guide ng game?
Definitely, before I get drafted, all I wanted to do is be the perfect team that the best fit. And I feel like since the first workout that I had with the draft, I feel like it was a team sport. And appreciate like I feel like I will appreciate every each one of my teammates because they were here for me since day one that I stepped out of my practice facility. And even today, they're all supporting and like helping me across the day.
Coach Jeff, Cedric Berwin didn't play the preseason tonight. He didn't play as well. What's his status? And
Yeah, he's still nursing a shoulder injury. Nangyari yun sa Davao. So, he got sprained, he hurt it, but he still was able to play through the last game in Davao. So, pabalik namin, he was able to, his practice was very minimal. He was more focused on his rehab. But we thought that he was going to be ready for tonight, but he's not 100%. So, we felt like we just wanted to be sure before he comes back. As you notice, nakabase naman siya, so ready siya to go. He did everything to prepare to play. Sabi ko sa kanya, I will try not to play you, but if I need you, I'll call you in. So that's what happened.
Christian, going into the third year of PBA, what are your goals for yourself, especially after this beautiful performance?
Just try to lead this team to more wins. I felt like last year kind of disappointing. We felt like we felt confident going into last year, and this year I want to take this team to the playoffs.
Was it an easy decision to stay with Blackwater, play another for the next 2 years?
Yeah, it was an easy decision. Blackwater is always believed in me, coming to the draft. I didn't know what to expect, but they took a chance on
Step, Arvin Lagan tonight, double-double with Ipot and completed that later on with the game. We all know si Arvin matagal na sa'yo since the Alaska days. How crucial is he this year, especially may tag kayo and Cedric?
Yeah, no, he's very crucial. So, you know, to see him grow and develop his years, I'm really proud and happy with him, for him. What everyone doesn't see is the hard work that he puts in. Grabbing working our game. So really puts in the time, really puts in the work. And he's a team player, so he knows what's expected of him. So today we asked him to start, so he was ready to start. If we need to come off the bench, he's ready also. So yeah, so happy to see him with the double-double and 10 rebounds. Good job. Baka siya maging safer natin next game.
Okay, with no more questions, that wraps up our post-game press conference. Congratulations to Coach Tim, Tad Panocchio, and Christian David. Blackwater winning 1-0